At Oxford Patel's English Medium School, we proudly celebrate the 80th Independence Day with patriotism, pride, and gratitude. Here, learning goes beyond the classrooms. Every activity inspires confidence, creativity, and love for our nation. Through speeches, dance, music, and cultural performances, our students proudly showcase their talent and the true spirit of India. Together, we celebrate freedom. Together, we build the future. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
His life for the Bhagat Singh smilingly gave his life for the motherland. Gave his life for the motherland at the young age of 23 years old. Lala Lajpat Rai braved the Lanti charges of the British, inspiring millions to join the movement. Let us remember that a great nation is built by people, ordinary people, but people doing extraordinary things with courage, honesty, and discipline. Our journey has just begun. Our journey has just begun. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। आज का दिन सिर्फ झंडा फहराने और मिठाई बांटने का नहीं, आज का दिन हमें याद दिलाता है कि आजादी हमें कितने संघर्ष और बलिदान के द्वारा मिली है। हम उस देश के नागरिक हैं जहाँ अलग अलग भाषाएं, धर्म, संस्कृतियाँ होने के बावजूद हम अपने देश के